I got invited to the Eureka manufacturing facility. I don't know how, but I'm here. So we're gonna sneak inside. We're gonna show you around how they build the Eureka Grinders, show you the truth about Eureka Grinders. So come on inside, let's go check it out. Now, Eureka makes coffee grinders, and I was incredibly excited to visit this factory as I've been a fan of Eureka for a long time on this channel. That built in Italy craftsmanship is associated with quality. And so being able to see how these grinders were made behind the scenes was incredibly exciting for me. And as somebody who geeks out about coffee gear and the manufacturing process, this was a treat. So I thank Eureka for inviting me while I was in Italy at Host to come see their factory. They were incredibly hospitable, and I hope I get to visit them once again in the future. I'm here with Mattia, and so Mattia, why don't you introduce what we're going to do today? Give us a little tour, maybe introduce yourself and what you do here at Eureka.
Absolutely. I am Mattias Grech, I am the marketing director of the company. As you said, we are here at Eureka facility, manufacturing spot, based in Sesto Fiorentino, which is basically 10 kilometers far from Florence city center. And today we are gonna make a small tour to see a little bit what's happening here and how Mignong series is produced in our facility.
All right, let's go.
Here in this area we have all machines, CNC machines, to produce Mignong body, so the body of our Mignong series.
Okay.
And we can go to see how one of these machines works. So the machine, inside the machine we put the raw body, so it's a block of metal, and the machine is going to basically refine and finish the body like you know it.
So this right here, is this an example of what it looks like?
So this is the raw body. Inside the machine we are going to create the shape that everybody knows. So the legs and all the openings that are the holes and the openings that are necessary to, let's say, for example, to mount the front. In order to insert the micro switch here, you need to process it to create the proper hole. Exactly. This is what I meant. So you see, this is the raw one, and this is the result of the CNC processing. Cool. This part here is the base of one of our model that we produce here, Mignong single dose. It's processed with the same technology, yeah, with CNC, like the body.
And the grind chamber over there
and
as well?
The grind chamber, yes, the same.
So they're all built here in-house?
Exactly. Now we move on to the assembly lines, where all Mignongs, we get the final product, like our customer know it.
So which model is this here?
In this moment, the guys are working on the Libra. So you see that every guy has a specific, let's say, some specific task. And once the task is accomplished, they, let's say, pass the Mignong to the next guy. They are assembling now the body. They mount the motor inside the body. It's actually very interesting because all our Mignong Libra are calibrated inside, in our house, in the factory. So there is a special procedure that we do, indeed calibrating the instant grind weighing technology, our grind by weight system. So why we do this procedure? So that our customers do not need to, let's say, do it on their own when they receive the good. We are here at the final step of the assembly line, and it's about the packaging. So this is indeed the last step, where the guy is closing the box and wrapping thanks to the help of the machine. Here we produce all, let's say, Mignong of our silent range, so Mignong Specialità, Mignong Silenzio, Mignong Perfetto. And right now the guys are assembling the Mignong Specialità. The logic is very similar to the other line. So we start from the motor, from the body, and then we are going to, let's say, to finish, to complete the product. Here is the step. It's a very important step because he's currently doing a quality check on the grounding system. So we do it for every sample, every unit, and if we realize that the quality check is not positive, we removed the unit from the line.
Is that a pass? That passed?
It was a pass? L'abbiamo passato?
We got a pass.
Now after this, we got to tour around a bunch of their factory, and there's multiple buildings on site, but not everything they wanted to be filmed makes sense. And there were other areas that weren't being used because it was near the end of the day. What really caught me off guard in this trip to Italy and to Eureka's factory was how much Eureka is actually listening and how much they actually care what the community has to say. So this is what I want to ask you. What do you want to see from Eureka? I think they're reading, I think they're listening, and honestly, I walked away from talking with them, being at their factory, understanding that they do want to cater to the home barista community. I think within their own DNA, obviously, but I thought that was really interesting. And so this is your chance in the comment section down below. What would you like to see from a company like Eureka? Maybe it's something that's not grinder related, maybe it is. No matter how crazy it is, write down below. I'm gonna be reading every single one of them, and Eureka may be too. They did obviously invite us out to their factory. So thank you, Eureka, for that. Thank you for watching this video. Do me a huge favor, hit that like button before you leave. Subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you guys all in the next video. Have a wonderful day.